All right, guys. In this video, we're going to explore two more set operations. And these set operations are very important, especially when it comes to studying set operations using Venn diagrams. The first one we have is the intersection. And the intersection of two sets A and B is symbolized by A intersecting B. And that is a set of all elements that are in both sets. And set builder notation, it represents an element such that an element is a part of set A and that same element is inside of part B. When you look at the intersection of sets, you're going to ask yourself, what elements do the sets have in common with each other? The union of two sets A and B is symbolized by A union B, and that is the set of all elements that are in either set A or set B or both. And set builder notation, we can say that an element such that that element is a part of set A or that element is a part of set B or both. Basically, union means to take both sets, combine it together to form one overall set. So in this video, we're going to look at questions 10 and 11 to work the union and the intersection, and then we'll throw in some complements along the way. All right, number 10, pretty straightforward. Set E and set L are defined as follows. There you go. E is the set of 0, 1, 2, 4, 7, and 8. L is the set of 0, 1, 3, 4, 6, and 8. Find the set of E union L. Now remember, union means to combine the sets together to form one overall set. So if I take these sets and combine them together to make one overall gigantic set, that is going to be the set of, draw this better one more time, 0. And I don't know why, but I think there's kids above me stomping. Look what time it is. Well, you guys can't see, but it's 11:17 in the evening. Anyways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. And there you go. Now B says you want to find the intersection of those sets. Intersection means what elements do both sets have in common with each other? Changes back to yellow. Look at set E and look at set L and find the common elements. Both sets have a 0, a 1, a 4, and an 8. Oops, let's undo that. So that means the intersection between sets E and set L is 0, 1, 4, and 8. Once again, those are the common elements in the set. And there you go. Union means to combine the sets together to make one overall set. Intersection means what are the common elements within both sets. Okay, let's move on. Now this one here says 11, set B and set C are subsets of the universal set of U. These sets are defined as follows. The universal set is defined as the set of F, K, R, S, X, and Z. Now set B subset B, I should say, is defined as F and S, and set C is defined as a set of S and Z. For the first set, we want to find the intersection between B and C complement. And then B says you want to find the complement of the union between B and C. Let's do the first one. We know what B is already. Let's find C complement. To find C complement, that's going to be every element in the universal set that is not inside of set C. So that's going to be F, K, R, and X. Now that we found C complement, we can now find the intersection between B and C complement. Intersection represents what are the common elements in set B and set C complement. And both sets share an F. So the answer to this question is going to be the element and set bracket of F. For B, we're going to reset the problem. The inside of the parentheses says the union between the two sets. If we're trying to find the union with inside of my parentheses between B and C, I want to write that over here actually. The union between B and C. That means we're going to combine these two sets together to make one overall gigantic set. So when I write that, that is going to be the set of F, S, and Z. Because we combine the sets together to make one overall set. And as you notice, when I do that, I don't repeat the elements. If there is an S appearing twice, I only write the S one time. Then we want to find the complement of the union between B and C. So that's going to be every element that is in the universal set that is not going to be F, S, and Z. And that's going to be K, R, and X. And that is the answer for 11B. Hopefully that made sense and you guys understood the concepts. In the next video, we're going to transition one more level because now we're going to be using the second level when it comes to finding set operations. This time we have 3 sets. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.